guys, so for this tutorial it's going to be a prom look, but very nice and simple, only focusing on the eyes and the lips. The lips are really glossy, the lashes are really huge. They're mink lashes by L'Amour. They're L'Amour mink lashes. And also don't want you guys to forget about, I'm getting tongue tied, I don't want you guys to forget about my Jamaica makeup course in November. I'll go ahead and insert a flyer at the end, so stay tuned to the end of the video to see what I use on my lips, as well as the flyer and pricing and how to get $100 off and stuff like that. Also, what do I want to say? I don't remember what I wanted to say. Brain fart. Anyway, yeah, so enjoy the video. So now you have your foundation done, what you want to focus on is your contouring. So I already started contouring, I highlighted already, so now I'm going to move to low lighting, and I'm using my Jewelz By Jai contour palette as per usual, and I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I'm using my new e.l.f. brush. It's called the e.l.f. contouring brush. So I'm just going to go into the areas that I want to appear more sunken in. Move on to the eyes, and the eyes are pretty simple. What I'm going to do, I'm going to line my eyes with MAC's Night Moth. And I'm going to bring that on my lash line. Both lash lines are lined with the Night Moth, as you can see. Next, I'm going to be going in with ColourPop, and this is in Dare, I think it's called Dare. And it is this type of purple. It's a little bit deeper in person. And I'm going to put that right on top. Do I have a small brush? No. I'm going to put that right on top of the Night Moth. That I have that all over, and you can see the difference right here. You see the purple coming down a bit because my eyes, they crease. So I'm going to go in real quickly with my BH Cosmetics liner, and I'm going to line underneath. I'm just going to line the top of my eyes. I'm going to leave this part open. So I'm going to carry the wing up a bit here and then join it right here, leaving a space right there. So now that we have that, if you made any mistakes, you can just use your a lighter color foundation or concealer and just clean that up, which is exactly what I'm doing right now because this is too long. I'll be adding my lashes, and these are Armani's 3D lashes from L'Amour Mink Lashes. So I'm just going to pop these on. On my lips, I'm wearing Max Creme de Nude and this nude gloss that I'm always wearing over it. And to line my lips, I'm wearing Miss Colige 202 lip liner. And that's basically it, you guys, for this look. Really hope you guys enjoy this. It's a nice promy kind of a look if you just want to focus on lips and eyes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.